You know, instead of eating and drinking first, you have to learn to stand up. Yeah. I know you're tired. It took you about almost 2 days to hatch out. But you need to learn to stand up and walk first before you eat and drink. Oh, that's being a smart ass. Okay. Not just stand up, walk around. You need to get up and walk around. I know this is a little bit small, but to keep you warm. Because, heating pad, this shuts off every 4 hours, but it stays warm in here for about 2 more. Struggling a little bit. You've been dry for about 3 hours. You should have been up walking around. I got some Gatorade in there. No, yeah, you're getting a sugar rush now. Don't get in there. Maybe we should take the toy out. You were bitching because you didn't have a toy in there. And you're already into the food. Now you're trying to go for a swim. I have it covered. God, I can feel the heat in there already. I looked this up online because I don't have. You put a toy in there because it helps keep them from getting too lonely. But I don't got a bigger container. But if this is covered, he should be fine. He just needs to learn to get up and walk around a little bit better. Oh, you're trying to do it. He can grip with his nails on that paper towel pretty good, so I'm gonna get you out here in a few minutes. See if I can help you a little bit. Yeah. Because you can't have a splayed leg like that. At least you can get his feet up underneath him. That's a good thing. He's actually able to get his feet up underneath him and grip, so. Just keep sliding a little bit, huh? Maybe I have to get you something else to grip on better. Paper towel a little bit slippery. Yeah. Let's try something else. Okay, so is it better now? Oh, now we're just stretching. We're just lounging now. Can you get up and move around better now? I flipped the paper towel around. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, we want to drink, we want to eat. We just don't want to get up and walk. No. Don't want to get up and walk yet. Do we? But I flipped the paper towel around so he can get a little bit better traction. Or she. Yeah. Yeah, I did. Over here's your food. Over here. There you go, come on. There you go. Yep. You want to eat and drink before you can even scurry about. Yeah, it's chick food I mixed up. Of course, it's got other things in it, but It's got actual chick food in it, but it's got some other stuff I ground up in it. It's got some oatmeal in it. Get out of the water. Like a duck to water. Get out of the water. Get out of... You can't even walk yet and you're trying to swim. I know, Kai. Get out of the water. Get out of that water. This is why ducks are messy. Get out of your food. Get out of your food. Don't you mouth me. Get out of that food. Get out of that food. Out of that food. Kai, be quiet. Get out of that food. Get out of the food. And you're stuck in a corner, aren't you? You're not coming out. I'm not holding you to eat and drink. Go walk around by yourself. Be a big boy. Or girl. Go on. Get out of the food dish. Little goofy. I'm going to name you Wander. Wander. You're a little Indian kid from off of Gunsmoke. Always going around, Wanda. So the guy just named him Wander. That's all you do is wander around. See, now you can wander around a little bit better. Since I changed everything around. Yep, see, you got your feet underneath you better. Since I switched to paper towel. To the grippy side, huh? Yeah, that better? Alright. Like, why are you still slipping? Because I had on the slippy side. I had to put it on the grip side. I mean, you're slipping a little bit, but not as bad. Yeah. Now, there you're slipping. That's probably because you got shit wet. Yeah. Because you're all over in your water dish. I'm going to tell you like they did Hemi off over the hedge. More nails get more traction. Yeah. Go to sleep. Just rest. Get your foot back up underneath you. Come on. He's trying to extend it out because he's still trying to clean stuff off of him. There you go. You do so good and then you just slip and slide. You were doing good walking around before I started filming. Yeah. Because you're a nut. Mm-hmm. Looks like you're doing better, so hopefully you make it. The hens were starting to peck at him a little bit too much. I think they were trying to just get him up and around to try to make him get up and move. But I pulled him just in case the hens started pecking at him a little too much. Because the hens can, when chicks don't want to get up and move around right away and they're just tired and want to sleep. Even though I did give him some water and Gatorade mix just to give him a little bit of a boost before. He just needed to rest. He just wasn't getting up and walking around right away. And since he wasn't up running around with the other chicks, hens can sometimes be little dicks and will continuously peck at a chick to get him to get up and move. And if a chick needs to rest, they need to rest. And it can sometimes stress a chick out too much, so I pulled him. We'll see how he is in the next couple of days. If he's up running around, I'll put him back in. And if they're mean to him, then he'll just go in a little tote by himself. And I'll have to hook up a heat lamp. Yeah. But the chicks are getting big enough where They don't really need a hen, they just need a little heater, and him and the chicks can go together and they should be fine. Because the rest of the eggs are about ready to hatch out. Whatever's left. If not, it'd just be him and the 3 chicks. Or her. Anyway, say goodnight, little buddy. Oh, it's blurry. There we go. We're getting around just a little bit better. Somebody's being overprotective. Because Gremlin over here is used to ducks and chickens. Because he's about 10 years old. About 9, maybe 10. A lot older than Kylo. Who's only 3. Kylo doesn't realize that this is not Gremlin's first rodeo with little baby chicks, huh, Grem? No. But that's her job, besides being a service dog. Walking a little bit better. Yeah, you is. Oh, I like to see that. Yeah, I like to see that. Yes, I do. I like to see that. Yes, I do. Wanna go see Grem? No. Grem will only lose interest in him in like 2 seconds. If I can find my cat in the camera, there he is. And Kyle has to come in because she don't want Gremlin around him. Oh, you're mean. He just wanted to see him. He'd be bored with him in 2 seconds. He just wants to sniff. Come on. Come back here. Watch. My floor has a little bit of stuff on it because I was putting stuff away the other day and I spilled some stuff and I half vacuumed it. I was getting Halloween decorations and stuff out and stuff spilled all over and I just took the broom and swept it off. I didn't take the sweeper. She's checking to see if the cat, so he's fine. But I put him on the carpet real quick to see how he was doing. As you can see, he's up and running. Easy. Baby. Good girl. Good girl, lay down. Or she. Yeah. Flip him over. You flip him over and you help him. Flip him over. Help him. We flip him over. Help him. And help him. Help him up. You gotta help him up. Easy. You gotta help him up. The little ducky is just waiting for her to help him. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, little flip over. You gotta be easy with those flip overs. Such a good, gentle girl. Good girl. So I wasn't sure how to do it, Mom. I had to get up. Alright, let's put him back. Where he just goes running all over my house. And you have a conniption fit with the cat. See, this is what I like. I should be able to go back with the chicks. And before I do that, I'll get him and the chicks out and let them play. Get the mother scent and everything back all over them instead of too much of our scent. Because some hens can be real dicks and be really mean when it comes to other species. I mean, some hens are fine with ducks and quail and even hatching out geese. But some of them aren't. Some of them get really mean. Some of them, they just,
they see it and it looks different, and I don't know if they get scared or what they do. Well, you gotta come over here. I want you right there. You're trying to play with my hair. But yeah, some of the, some chickens, and ducks are the same way. Sometimes ducks, if you have ducks try to hatch out chicken eggs, they're fine when the ducks hatch out, but as soon as the chickens come, all of a sudden, they'll start pecking at or even killing the chicks, because it's something different. Because they see it as something different, they're not sure what it is. They hear that it's a baby, but it doesn't look like what's in their maternal mind of, this is not what a chick is supposed to look like. So, to them, I guess, this looks like a mutant chick, like there's something wrong with it, when there's not anything wrong. No, don't eat that. So, yeah, go over there towards Kylo. So, I guess we'll just have to wait and see. If not, I'll set him up in his own little thing out in the shed, and he should be fine. I'll give him one of Kylo's stuffed toys that she don't play with. Yeah. You're not going to be house stuff. Maybe you'll have another brother or sister to hatch for you. Yeah. 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 Okay. You're just like your mother. You're biting. You're biting too hard. Romy used to do that. She'd get all playful and bite hard. Mm-hmm. She was all over the place. Yes. Go see Kylo. Go see Kylo. See, she's over there. Go see her. You ducky butt. Ducky butt.
But hopefully, hopefully the hens accept him back in. Like I said, I'll stay up there and watch. Keep an eye on it. If not, then I'll set him up somewhere by himself. I'll give him a little stuffed toy. Yeah. But I was going to give him a bath, but I'm not going to, because he still has the smell of the hens on him. But now he's got our smell and stuff on him, so. But he seems to be doing a lot better. He's a little wobbly, but not as wobbly. But he only need about like a week being by himself, probably, because they get a little bit bigger than the chicks, and then him and all the chicks can probably just go together without the moms, because I'll just hook up the little heat thing, and that way everybody have more room. Yeah, you're sleepy. You need to go to sleep. Alright, little dude, say goodbye.